As the gay Igbo king who is juicy, glowy, sexy, moisturized, and unbothered, protected by my ancestors, divinely protected, I did not come this far to make myself small. I am living loudly, unapologetically, being myself, being the gay Igbo man that I am. I was told that I'm going to not be happy, that I should be ashamed of who I am, that I should not live my life. I do not freaking need your permission to exist. I'm going to live loudly until the rest of my days, and I am going to be a homosexual, whether you like it or not. For some of you that are constantly saying that we are constantly explaining ourselves, we are not explaining ourselves to you. I am living my life. I remain the juicy, moisturized, glowy Igbo homosexual from Njikoka local government area of Anambra State. Everybody in my village knows I'm a homosexual. We enjoyed IKEA. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.